to fix speaker always turn on when answering calls while your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not connected to a headset or Bluetooth device. You have to disable answer using speaker option in the phone app setting. To do so, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting, tap answering and ending calls. Now tap the green on off switch next to answer using speaker until the switch turns green to turn it off. By turning off this option, your phone will not turn on speaker when you answer an incoming call while your phone is not connected to a headset or Bluetooth device. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.